Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a digital watermark to your images completely free using Google AI in 2025. This is a great way to protect your work or brand your photos without paying for expensive software. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google AI Labs. Once you're on the main page, select the Image Tools option and upload the photo you want to watermark. Now, in the prompt box, type something like add a transparent watermark with the text My Brand at the bottom right corner. You can customize this however you like. Add your name in the center, place a diagonal watermark across the whole image, or even adjust the transparency. Just describe exactly what you want, and Google AI will generate it for you. If you have a logo, upload it and write a prompt like, place my uploaded logo in the bottom right corner with 50% opacity. Once you're happy with the result, click Download, and your image will be saved with the watermark included. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a digital watermark with Google AI for free in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more free AI tutorials.